What have heard about Estonia prior to coming here was that obviously it was very developed in IT and engineering, so I knew that coming here there would be a huge competition, but also a huge field in which I could just develop myself.
The more I read about Estonia, the more I believed that it would be like a good place to study in. The criteria for choosing like a program for me was what kind of education I was going to get out of it. So I didn't want to just get a degree that was going to be just like on paper or something.
Estonia is a wonderful place to study IT because according to many newspapers, articles, then Estonia is #1 IT country in the world.
Somehow I feel like in future it's going to become a Silicon Valley of Europe.
I was expecting for it to be cold, and for the most part it was true. I heard that people could be kind of standoffish here, but it wasn't true at all. Like every person I've spoken to here in Estonia has been like really nice, and I've made like a lot of friends here.
I have not seen a huge amount of startups anywhere in the world. It is the startup which surprises me, and people are really like coming with the good ideas.
The thing which surprised me was is this sheer amount of many international companies who have their product development centers here. It was very interesting to see that it's very much different, for example, from structures and how it works in other countries.
The digital ID card was new to me because I had not experienced that before, and the ability to sign documents with my ID was also very new to me, and I think it's a really good innovation that my mind was blown away that wow, this is awesome. So I think that's very good innovation for Estonia.